How to change email on Bluesky Social. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your email on your Bluesky application. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that your email is verified. So open up your account, and once you land on your home page, you just have to go ahead and swipe right to pop out this menu, and from here head over to your settings. Once you get to your settings, on the top you will see your account section. Tap on it, and at the very top you can see my email, which has been verified. And now if I want to change email, I'm just going to tap on this button right here that says change email. And once you do that, you will first have to send a request change on your current email. So I'm just going to do that right now. So you will have to enter your new email right here and then tap on request change. It will send a request to your current Gmail, and once you verify from there, you should be able to change your email. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.